Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure MetaMask for Polygon token swapping, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the MetaMask website. Click on the download button to install the MetaMask extension for your browser. Once the installation is complete, open the MetaMask extension by clicking on the icon in the browser toolbar. If you are a new user, select Get Started and then choose Create a Wallet. Follow the prompts to set up your wallet, including creating a secure password. Make sure to back up your recovery phrase and store it safely, as this will be needed to access your wallet. If you already have a wallet, select Import Wallet and enter your recovery phrase. Next, ensure that you have the Polygon network added to your MetaMask. To do this, click on the Network dropdown at the top of the window and select Add Network. Fill in the network details for Polygon, network name, Polygon mainnet. New RPC URL, https://polygon-rpc.com. Chain ID, 137. Currency symbol, MATIC. Block Explorer URL, https://polygonscan.com. Click Save to add the Polygon network. Switch to the Polygon network using the Network drop-down menu. Now, you will need to acquire some MATIC tokens to cover transaction fees. You can purchase MATIC through exchanges like Coinbase or Binance, then transfer it to your MetaMask wallet. Once you have MATIC in your wallet, navigate to a decentralized exchange, such as QuickSwap or SushiSwap. Connect your MetaMask wallet to the exchange by clicking on the Connect Wallet button. Follow the prompts to authorize the connection between your wallet and the exchange. Select the tokens you wish to swap in the exchange interface. Choose a Polygon token you want to swap from, and the token you want to receive. Enter the amount you wish to swap in the provided field. Review the exchange rate and transaction fees displayed on the screen. When you are ready, click the Swap button to initiate the transaction. Confirm the details in the MetaMask prompt that appears. Once confirmed, your transaction will be processed on the Polygon network. You can view the transaction status on the Block Explorer by following the link provided in the MetaMask notification. After the transaction is completed, check your wallet balance to ensure that the new tokens have arrived. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.